So I have shared my screen. So let's just start. So let me introduce you to the first setup, which is the scalping setup. Okay, and this is totally based on engulfing. Okay, there are many forms of engulfing, out of which this is a setup which occurs like frequently. You will find a two, three setups in a day. Even sometimes you will find one or two. But yeah, the quality of these setups are very good. Okay, and the most important thing about the setup is the SL are very small. Okay, so what will happen? You have to capture at least 1:2, 1:1 for the bare minimum, so that your account will be always in blue. Okay, and you don't need to backtest it for like a long period of time because we have already backtested it. We are already doing trades on this one, and you don't need a large amount of capital to start on this setup. So first, what we'll do, we will start from the basic scratch. I know some people in this group already know some things about engulfing, how to mark the engulfing, buy, engulfing, sell, but still we will start with a very basic tool. Okay, so that at the advanced level, we will not face any kind of problems. So what we will start with, we'll firstly start with the engulfing buy and engulfing sell. Okay, this is very basic. Engulfing buy, engulfing sell. There are two types of buy and two types of sell. So let's directly focus on the charts, how it looks like. So this is our daily chart, and how to mark the engulfing. Let me explain it first. So in case of engulfing buy, we need two candles or more than two candles. So how it looks like? First of all, you need a red candle, and then you need a blue candle that is totally eating the red candle along with its wick. And what's the most important thing? The body closer. Okay, the body needs to close above the zone. Okay, so how to mark this one? Simply take a box and place it over the wicks of red candle, the upper wick, the lower wick, and the blue candle body is closing above the purple box. So this is your type 1 engulfing buy, which is very like easy to mark. Okay, and the green candle's wick is not having any important role in marking the zone. It can float like 20, 10, 30, 40 pips, any number of pips, it can float downside to the upside. The most important thing, red candle upper wick, lower wick, and green candles closer above the purple box. Okay, so this is how you will mark your type 1. So we'll not give a lot of importance to this type 1, type 2. We'll focus on the setup. Then we will move to the type 2 engulfing buy. This is our type 2 engulfing buy. When more than two candles, okay, one more than one candle, you can say, if it the red candle needs more than one candle to eat the red candle. So how to eat the red candle? Simply the upper wick and the lower wick of the red candle and green candle body should close above the box, this purple box. Some traders also take the green candle's only wick should close above the box. That is not proper engulfing from my side. We need proper body closer above the box. What I mean is this body closer is important. It can be n number of candles. It can be two, three, four, five, n number of candles can engulf a red candles through its body or wick. Okay, so simply if you have more than two candles, then the rally of blue candles should be only blue. One, two, three, four, five, six. For example, you have a red candle. Let's suppose we have a red candle like this, and these are the number of blue candles engulfing the red candle like this. So until the body of blue candle closes above the box, you cannot consider it as a proper engulfing buy. All candles need to be same color, only blue. Okay, only blue color should be favored. Is it clear till this point? Type 1, type 2 engulfing by everyone?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay. So let's focus on the same cell. So when you have engulfing cell, so if one red candle is eating the blue candle, for example, let's suppose here, one blue candle is engulfed by a single red candle, and the body of red candle is closing below the box here. So this is type 1 engulfing sell. You have to give importance to the blue candles upper wick and the lower wick, and the red candles wick is not important. It can float like anywhere it wants to float. Only the important thing is red candle's body closing below the zone. It can be one, two, three, four, five, any number of red candles included in engulfing the blue candle. But all the candles should be red in color. Okay, like for example, this one. This is type 2 engulfing by cell because two candles needed to engulf one blue candle. Simple. Let's have some more example. For example, here as well, blue candle is engulfed by two red candles. One, two. It has been closed here. That's why this is type 2 engulfing cell. I hope type 1 and type 2 engulfing by and engulfing cell is clear to all of you so that we can focus on other things. Okay. So what are the time frames we will use in this particular setup? So the most important and the favorite one is weekly engulfing. Okay. Weekly engulfing, daily time frame, H4 time frame, H1 time frame, M30. Sorry, so remove this H1 from here. Okay. M30 time frame and M15 plus M5. We will not use M1 in this scalping setup totally. Okay, because the average the accuracy of M1 is less. It can be like 65 to 70% only. That's why I'm not focusing right now on M1. We will focus till M5, M15, M30, H4, daily and weekly. These two time frames for determining the direction, H4 for setup, M30 for R30, D30, M15, M5 for confirmation. Okay, maybe it's like seems to be hard, but it's totally very easy. Okay, so we will once we will move to the setup, we will understand. Okay, so let's have a look into the H4 setup. So first of all, you need an H4 engulfing. We have two type of things. First of all, we have two type of things. What are the things? Engulfing by or engulfing self-fail. Self-fail. These two things means the same. It can be engulfing by or it can be engulfing self-fail. Okay, so simply these two things are same. The other thing is either engulfing self or engulfing by fail. These two things means same. These both are used for self. These both are used for by. Okay, so now let's move to the chart. So in this particular thing, we will firstly focus on the weekly time frame. Okay, you need weekly engulfing by, engulfing cell fail, or engulfing by fail. So let's have a look into the weekly engulfing by. You can take this one, you can take this one, any engulfing by you can take, or any engulfing cell you can take in weekly time frame. Okay, you can also use engulfing by fail or cell fail if you don't have engulfing by or engulfing cell. It happens rarely, once in a while. When you don't have engulfing by or engulfing cell, you have to focus on failed setups. Okay, in higher time frame, the failed setups gives you good accuracy, but when it comes to M1, M5, it becomes little noisy. But still, we have some rules to use it in our favor. Yes. So how to determine the direction in this time frame, weekly time frame? We have a weekly engulfing by. Let market enter your zone. Okay, let market enter your. I think someone came now. Is late. Okay. From Bro, you are little late, but still we will start. Okay. So where we were focusing on a weekly engulfing buy. First of all, the most important point is the weekly engulfing buy or weekly engulfing sell, which determines the direction. If it is a weekly engulfing buy, you have to simply look for buy setups for higher pips. Even in the next pip setup, still you can hold it for 100 pips, 200 pips. But our minimum level should be 50 to 60 around 40, 60 pips to catch from the market. Okay, and you have to apply this thing on gold first, then you can move to other currencies as well. Okay, this applies to every currencies, even Bitcoin. But what is recommended? You have to trade on gold. Okay, because once you will start focusing on single pair, you will understand it better. Sometimes you don't have setup, but still you can sense from gold that gold can drop or gold can fly, even there is no setup. So that's the gut feelings which comes when once you start trading a single pair. Okay, guys. So now we have engulfing by simply. I'm little making it zoom. Now focus here. You have to focus on the lines. These are the lines. This is the body. Okay. Now let's distribute this weekly engulfing by into three categories. This is the high volatile area. High volatile, or you can say this is the area where there is a high liquidity in the market or high number of traders for selling or buying. Simply, it is a weekly engulfing buy. You can make buy entries with confidence. From where to where? From the lower body to the lower wick of red candle. From here to here, you can use as a high demand area or high volume area. When it comes to your body, this is your medium volume area. Okay, if you feel any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask in between the classes so that others should also take some initiatives to ask their queries. Okay, guys. So this is your body. What is body? Simply the red candles, upper body and the lower body. This one is your wick area. So simply understand in terms of psychology, this is the kind of area where market started pumping up. Why it started pumping up? Because in the historical price, we have some confluences which made the market to go up. As simply you can say here as an engulfing buy. So everything depends on the historical data. Once you don't have any historical data, then you only move to the live market setups. That is something different. Are you getting my points, guys? You can say yes, no in between the class as well.
Yes.
Great, great. So now let's focus on here. This is a medium volume area, and this area is little weak area because it is the head of a someone. It is the head of someone. So simply you can say, right now someone is saying, how can I help him? Right.
Okay.
Lower part is like you can like understand this candle as
Yes.
someone's body, human body, the head, the chest part, the legs. Okay.
Yeah.
Simply the legs are very strong. Any human being. The middle part is like our abdomen, which is little like strong, like medium stronger. Okay. But this part, see, someone hits on your head, you totally feel lot of pain. Okay, but once someone hits your leg, you will feel little pain. So that's the point here. You have to look into this weekly candle. The lower part is always voluminous. It has a lot of like a buyers and sellers. Why? There is a reason this engulfing buy. Here, someone can find some confluences in daily H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M1, anything. So that's the reason why market started pumping up. Market will never move in any direction without any confluences. Okay, so let's try to understand. This is the main in between part. Why this is the main in between part? This is like our abdomen. So you can trade with confirmations or you can take the confirmation. Okay, and this is little weak area.
Okay, sir.
Why I'm focusing a lot of in this weekly time frame because this is the only thing which you are lacking right now. You say like some people I have heard in the group itself, and some people have texted me. they take trade on M1 basis. Okay, even I sometimes like take M1 basic trades, but that's not only M1. That is the area here, here, or here. Then only I take M1 trades. At all time high, I will not trade on M1 basis. Okay, but in the weekly time frame, if it is the at the bottom of the weekly engulfing buy or the top of weekly engulfing sell, then I will look for M1 areas as well. It can give you 60 pips, 100 pips, all time low as well. Not all time low, little low. Okay, so now we are more focusing on daily time frame. So now you can say you can filter it this area. This is our daily engulfing buy. Now simply understand, try to understand. This is very important. I'm explaining something in terms of psychology. This is a weekly area and a daily area. Firstly, I had marked my weekly engulfing buy. Within that, I have marked a daily engulfing buy. Okay. So what you will call this as an area? This is a weekly plus daily. Am I right? This is a weekly plus daily zone.
Yes, sir.
So then only what you will do, you will try to find whether it is at the wicks, at the lower part of weekly engulfing buy. If it is at a weekly engulfing buy, this is very high voluminal trade. Okay, it is coming for the retracement, then it will start going up. Now the picture comes into play. If it starts going up from weekly, daily, and H4 plus our M30. If it starts going up from this area, if you see any H4 trade here for sell, okay, this is our diamond. You don't have any weekly, you don't have any daily. I'm writing as a minus. Okay, no weekly, no daily, only H4, and you have M30 setup for sell. Do you think this area will work, guys? You don't have any weekly time frame, you don't have daily time frame. You just have H4 setup, H4 engulfing, and within that you have a setup.
So
So do you
normally
think
it
this will
can
work?
give only 20 30 pips only, right? Scalping. But
So do you think 20 30 pips is a good idea to take risk for 30 pips SL or 40 pips SL?
no, sir, no.
So you will remove this because our direction says it needs to go up. Then why you are stopping it? You will use this engulfing cell as cell fail, and then you will take more buy. Okay. Let the cell turns into cell fail. I'm writing it here. Let what's happening here? Let vehicles let the sale in H4 turns into cell fail. So what does cell fail means, guys? Buy. Just I wrote on the notepad, right? Okay. Cell fail is used for buy. So what I just told you, I'm summarizing it up. Okay, let's have a summary here. We have two scenarios: the lower one and the upper one. This is our weekly buy plus daily buy, and this happens every day. Every day market is somewhere. Okay, if like for example today is PPI, let's suppose market started dropping, market dropped 200 pips, came to our weekly and daily buy area. Market will start taking rest. Once it will start taking rest, buyers will enter in the market. Once buyers will enter into the market, it will again go to the upper zone. Suppose it is a CPI data. Okay, the next day, so market will start going up from the buy zone because it has a weekly daily. And once you have any sell here, which is only H4, don't trade. Okay, you will hit your SL. But if same area is having weekly, weekly sell, daily sell, then we have a H4 sell within the area from the high volume areas. Okay, then you can take the trade with confidence. The most important thing is your confidence in the trade. Okay, so let's try to understand. So market came into the area, Now I move to the H4 time frame. So this is our point where we will start taking our actions. See, buy, fail. Why it fail? Because market wants to go, with my box. Market wants to visit this wick area. Can you see this wick area? Market wants to visit this area. Then it will form some confirmations. Okay. Here we can see we have a buy, we have a sell fail, and then only we can decide whether to take buy or sell. So all these things assembling together, let's have a look into some other example that you can find in the trade. Let's suppose we have this area, weekly buy. Suppose we have buy, we have sell, we have sell, we have buy, we have this is not sell nor buy. Market is in a decision point. Market wants to either market can go up, market can down as well. We found engulfing buy, market entered the buy, then it started going up. So let's take this one. This is our weekly engulfing buy. This is our volume area, the lower part, which is low risk. Let market enter your zone. Move to daily time frame. Focus on the daily engulfing buy, this one or this one. Okay, we have this area as a high volume trade, this area as a buy. Then we only move to the H4 time frame. Once we move to the H4 time frame, what I just recalled you, market say for example, this is a CPI news. Market came, market dropped around 500 pips. Once market dropped, now market wants to take some rest. This is the resting period. Market took some rest, market came, market formed confirmations, market started going up. So now how to enter here? That's the main thing. So, but today we are not going on the smaller time frame. We are just focusing on something which is important. So we will focus on this engulfing buy in H4. Okay. So now say this is our engulfing buy, and if we have engulfing sell here, just assume if this is a complete engulfing sell, do you take a sell trade here, guys, in this proper box, purple box?
No, sir, no. Still, no.
Why?
Engulfing cell is not formed properly. Abel.
No, suppose it is a sell. If it is a proper sell, engulfing sell type 2, then you will take the trade or not in this purple box.
No, Rohan, because earlier you mentioned that the backend support of should be either day or weekly at least.
Right? Because this is coming. This buy started. This buy started from weekly bottom, daily buy, then H4 buy. This is just a sell. It will break, and you will get amazed why it got break. I have everything buy, sell, buy, sell. Why market is not ranging in between the two lines? Simple because this was a high volume trade. It has everything as a support. Weekly, daily, H4, H1, M30. Buy. And you are stopping, you are trying to stop this wave from this cell. So it will not happen. The accuracy is as low as 40%. But you are not trading SMC, please mention. You are trading engulfing. You know everything. Where market will go. But how it will go, you will not know in that case every time. Okay. So now in this box, we will try to find our setups, which is the scalping setup we will start. Is it clear, guys? So now I'm opening my notes. So I'm starting again with the weekly engulfing buy. This is my red candle, little red. This is my weekly engulfing buy, proper engulfing buy. This is my zone. Okay, sorry, I have to delete this one. Okay, so now see. Okay, so if you have zone in this weekly buy, if any H4 forms here, okay, I'm taking three colors so that you can understand this one, and this one green. This one. I hope you guys are able to understand. My drawing is little bad. I'm again explaining it. This is high, this is medium, this is weak. So if market forms H4 here, if market forms H4 here, if market forms H4 engulfing by here, we have three scenarios where market will form engulfing by. If it is forming in this high volatile area, it will give you good respect. If it is a medium area, it will give low respect. If it is at the top of the zone, we will make it high quality trades. Everything depends on our zone. Even if it is a at the top of weekly engulfing buy, we can make the accuracy good by using higher time frames like H4, M30, M50, three time frames to make this area good scalping setup. I hope you guys are able to understand because you guys have already did so many things from YouTube. That's why. Okay, if this is a weak area and weekly engulfing buy, still you guys can take good quality trades in this proper weak zone. If market comes into your medium, then you have to wait for engulfing buy. You have to focus on only engulfing buy in S4 in these areas. Okay. If market forms H4 engulfing buy in this area, we will focus on H4, M30, M5. If market is coming into the zone, what we will do? H4, M30, M5, M1. Is it clear, guys? This is a combination, three combinations only.
Yes, yes.
Okay. If you guys have any questions still here, you guys can unmute yourself and ask me.
Ron, can I ask one question? A quick thing.
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, basically, as you mentioned, the daily and the weekly. So every day we have to come up with the weekly, then daily, and then H4, right?
Right.
But by any chance, as you mentioned earlier, that for bi-weekly, under the bi-weekly, if we are finding H4 sell as well, along with
Mhm.
the H4 buy in the bottom area, like in some
Right.
case could be. So which basically H4 we have to mark, sell failed or fresh buy.
But there is nothing called a fresh in this setup. Okay.
Okay.
You have to just focus on buy. No need of fresh, no need of non-fresh. Only H4 buy, or it can be sell fail as well. Okay.
So both we can mark, or both
Yeah,
we
both we
can.
can mark.
Okay, we will look forward something.
Yeah, I will show you some practical examples as well, so that you will not get confused. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
So now we have something in this particular thing. If we take H4 cell in this area, okay, in this particular area, that will be very high risk. It can give you little smaller pips because scalping doesn't mean taking 10 pips or 20 pips every 50 p. Okay, scalping simply is getting 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2. If your SL is 10 pips, you can go for 20, 25 pips to the bigger minimum. Okay, you cannot expect 20, 60, 100 pips from the cell in this area. Okay, sometimes you don't have weekly working bar. This is case 2. This is our case 1. Okay, I hope case 1 is totally clear to all of you. Now we have case 2. What is case 2? Simply, if we don't have weekly, what we will do? We will move to daily time frame. Okay, guys, same formula, same thing. Daily engulfing like this. This is my red candle. This is my blue candle zone. High volume area.
Ron, can you mute all people? Somebody is on mute.
Okay. How can you take another? Now everyone is mute. We go on. We got it. So what we were focusing here, this is our case two when we don't have we can if happens sometimes when your market hits all-time high or little below the market. Okay, for example, 1 month low, 2 months low, 15 days low. When these kind of scenarios happen, I'm writing it here. Okay, weekly low, monthly low, or 15 days low. Sometimes this happens. In this particular case, you can look for daily if you don't have weekly. But if you have weekly, just focus on your weekly time frame because weekly is the father, grandfather, everything. Okay. Now this is medium volume trade, and the upper one, this one is less weak trade. Okay, you will find weak setups here. Same thing. You need H4 here. You need H4 here. We need H4 here as well. Weekly, sorry, we H4 buy or sell fail in this particular areas. So once you will find H4 areas in the zone, then you will move to other time frames. The third thing, third case. Third case is very simple. You don't have daily, you don't have weekly. You just have H4. Right now, market is at all-time high. You don't have daily engulfing sell, weekly engulfing sell. In this case, what you will do? You will focus on the H4 time frame. Okay. How to take? You can simply choose H4 engulfing sell or H4 engulfing buy fail. Same thing. You have to focus on the lower time frame M30. Then you will move to M15, M5, or M1. Is it clear? Total three cases, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So now let's move to the chart. I'm just explaining today the direction
Okay.
of it. Okay. So, so now see every time I'm just taking my arrow. If you have sell, till the sell fails, you cannot look for buy entries. We have buy, come, fly, buy, come, fly, buy, come, fly, buy, come. Here we have daily engulfing buy, come, fly. Again, market formed a buy. Are you guys able to understand what I just explained? Until the weekly buy fails or until the weekly sell fails, you cannot look for directional trade. Can you see here? Market didn't fail this sell fail. Until sell fail happens, you cannot look for buy trades. Is it clear? Until this buy fails, you cannot look for sell trades because this is weekly time frame, means the banks simply. Every time you can say buy, but this is not our market didn't come to this area, sell fail. So this is a buy, market started going up from this buy, simply buy, engulfing buy formed buy, broke this area directly. All thing is direction, fail, retest, buy, sell, fail, retest, buy. No sell. Here market formed a sell, failed because we have A, B, C. So these are the things we will cover in the coming classes. Okay, just simply focus on until the sell fails, you cannot look for buy. This is the main thing. Can you see? Sell fail, buy opportunities available now, and we don't have sell to the back area. Okay, so let's have a look here. Sell, fail, retest, buy. So this is a very huge rally, around 2000 pips, I guess, or 1000 pips maybe. Same here. Until the sell fails, you cannot look for sell fail or buy opportunities. I guess you guys are able to understand this one. This is a buy. Market came to the buy, buy. Sell fail, retest, buy. Is the picture clear to you in the weekly time frame? Daily can break, but H4, sorry, daily can break, but weekly will not break easily because weekly time frame shows the picture of bankers, their money. Okay, and everywhere on the chart you can see any date. Everywhere is buy. Even it is a very back buy, market came buy. Okay, let me mark it. This is the type 2 engulfing buy, market buy. This is also type 2 engulfing buy, market buy. And most possibly, let's suppose you can ask me, this buy failed. Why market didn't go down? Why did it is respected weekly? Simply go to the monthly and try to find this engulfing buy. Can you see? This is a body touch plus weekly plus daily, then market is going on. Is it clear the direction? You can simply apply it on your charts. It can be your trading view, it can be your MT5, MT4, because right now we are just focusing on the setup. Okay, sorry, the direction. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
It's clear, sir. It's very clear.
Yeah, thank you. Because see, whenever you enter into the small time frame, why I'm just focusing more on this thing, because you have to understand where you have to buy or where you have to sell. The most important topic here, we blow our accounts. Simply, we see sometimes market fly 100 pips with no news, no economical things. Still, you are in a sell. Market hits a spike of 100 pips in the buy side. Have you guys ever faced this situation? You see nothing in the market, no news, no economical things, no natural calamity, no war-like situation. Still, market hits 100 pips, and you blow your account because you are using one is to unlimited leverage. Have you experienced some of you? I hope I guess no one experienced this thing. So let's see why this situation happens. Because if you are in a weekly buy, you have to be aware of all those bankers, because bankers can do what they want. We just have to follow the wave. Okay, if market bankers want market to go in sell direction, you have to follow the sell. Don't try to catch fish in the opposite market, even if your SL is small. You can do with small lots, because sometimes it gives some opportunities. But until you don't have experience, don't go with the opposite wave, because the wave can be dangerous to your SL or to your capital. Now, sometimes what happens, weekly sell fail or buy fails. Simply go to monthly time frame and try to check, is it a monthly buy or sell. I'm just explaining it to you. This is monthly engulfing buy. Can you guess see? Even it is a doji, we don't consider it as like a, we don't follow any other pattern except engulfing. So this is doji engulfing buy, but I know this is a proper engulfing buy.
Indecision
Move to
candle.
the.
Oh,
I don't know what is indecision Canada, but still, I'm just what some people say. This is not valid. This is not powerful. But bro, simply understand why it is not powerful. If it is a weekly nothing buy, this is a red candle. It is showing sellers, and the sellers are written by a blue candle, which means buyers. It simply shows it is a totally buy. Even if it is a all-time high, follow the candles. If it is a doji, it can be morning star, everything, anything. If it is red, eaten by blue candle, it is buy. Move to the weekly time frame. When sell failed, sell failed here. So once sell failed, which means monthly closed as a bullish, weekly failed as a sell fail. Then you got good opportunities, which means holding trades, which is called art of direction. Simple things. So once you have like situations like this, don't enter sell. Focus on buy. If you have long, like good equity, okay, you have some, for example, how 1000 USD in your balance. Simply take 0.05 and wait for 100 pips at least, 200 pips, 300 pips. Because this is weekly, market will not come to your box. It will not break your box. Okay. So with SL, you can grow your capital using the weekly, monthly, daily. This is the most important thing. Don't follow only H1, M15, M5, and M1. These are noisy. This is not for us, not for engulfing traders. This is for SMC. Okay. So now what I'm just doing, I'm just recalling all those steps what we have done today for this particular class. We have completed our marking. We have completed three cases of weekly buy and weekly sell plus daily buy and daily sell. Daily buy, sell. We understood the H4 break probability when H4 can break. So H4 will break if you are taking trades in the opposite direction. We understood the wave and direction. Okay, direction in daily, weekly, and monthly. So this is all for today. Okay, just what you have to do as an assignment, you have to open your trading view. You have a good number of days. You can share your practice if you want. I will open the group for chatting as well, because this group has a little number of people. Okay, I haven't added so many number of people so that I cannot check the assignment. Limited number of people. You guys can share your assignment if you want. If you really want to practice, I will open the chat box. You can share your practice as well there. Then only you guys can do the assignments as well. So in assignment, what you have to do, you have to understand the weekly, daily, and monthly time frame only. Don't go to H4, H1, and 30, and 50 any time frame. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's so clear.
Okay. So, do you guys want me to open the chat box of your Telegram so that you guys can share your assignments, or is it okay having the group mute? You will share me all the assignments in my personal DM. Is that okay, or should I open the chat box?
Yes, so you can open for us to post in the group also so that we can be corrected if there is any mistakes.
Great. I will open it, and please don't uh, do the chattings irrespective of this scalping setup. Okay, so that you guys can like understand the marking of things properly, and you guys can take your own trades. Okay, only discuss those things which are important. I hope you guys will give your 100% in this calculating setup. And I promise if you follow this thing, you will get your 80-85% accuracy by the end of October or November. It depends on your 2T practices. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
next class we will do shortly once you guys will share your assignments and notes in the group. Okay, what the assignment is very small. Just you have to understand the direction. Don't take trades on H4, H1 or smaller time frame. Just focus on weekly and monthly. Then we will move to the main thing, which is taking the trade. I will not rotate everything. Okay, I will just go to the topics directly. I don't want to waste your time and my time as well. Direct scalping. So today was direction. Other class will be for entry, third class practice, fourth class live market, fifth class your practice and live trading. I hope it is clear.
Yep. Oh,
Okay, guys. So take your time, prepare your assignments, and let me know in the chat box. I will open the chat of the group and wait for your assignments. So, any question? Anyone?
My questions is for now just marking the weekly engulfing and daily engulfing to sort the direction only, and we post as an assignment.
Yes, you have to write a smart short summary so that others can also understand. See, what is the assignment? Not only marking the weekly by weekly sell, marking the weekly buy, bifurcating it into the low, medium, high, go to the smaller time frame like daily, and then explain it why market started going up or down. At least five charts from every individual. Okay,
It's clear,
explaining
sir.
is explaining is most important for yourself. Even some people do not understand, they will understand from your assignments. Anyone? Any other question related to this action?
Yeah, so you mean to say that when we are marking the higher, like most highest zone, then we need to figure it out. It flies from the mid level of daily or weekly, or high risk level, or the low risk area. That is what you are trying to say, that we need to look for those from where the market went up or went down, right? That is what.
Yeah, yes. You have to understand the reactions of the market. Then only you can apply the same thing in the live market.
Understood.
Clear?
That's the reason you mark the three different areas: the low, high, and medium.
Yeah. So simple. If you have a high volume area, if you form any setup, that will give you more pips, 200, 300 pips. So it depends on your holding, and holding gets better when you take the trade. It can be demo, it can be or but not paper trading. Because every time you are doing paper trading, you forget the concepts, you do not focus on the setups, and do directly freaking trades, FOMO, everything comes into picture. Directly open your demo or your real account, and that we will do in the risk management class. Okay.
Got it wrong.
So anyone, Mr. Makbul, do you have any query, bro?
No, sir, all clear.
Okay. So guys, this one, Mr. Makbul is a 12th standard class student, and he's really doing good for engulfing theory, and that's very good that he's focusing on trading from the early ages. Okay, so that you guys can share your good assignments so that he can prepare well and take the trades on his own as well. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir, thank you.
your assignments should be crystal clear so that everyone understands from each other. And I will explain everyone's chat. Okay, so
Okay,
that's all for today. We will meet surely once you will guys will done with the assignments. I'm opening the chats in 10 minutes. You guys can do. And this is A1 English batch. Okay, so
okay,
if someone is added in other group as well, so please leave that group so that we can do the good things. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Goodbye.